Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi network. The watch must be paired and on its charger. Once done, check battery level, 50% minimum, because updates pause if power is low. Open the watch app on your iPhone, tap General, then Software Update. If an update appears, read the brief notes so you know what changes and why they matter. Tap Download to start fetching the update to your iPhone. You'll see the download progress and an estimated time. Larger updates take longer, so be patient. Make sure your iPhone stays unlocked and the watch stays on its charger. If you lock the phone, verification can pause. The update is verified on the iPhone before transfer. This protects files and prevents corrupt installs. Once verification finishes, tap Install on the iPhone. The update then transfers to your watch. Don't remove. You'll see a progress wheel on the watch and the device will restart. Installation often takes 10 to 30 minutes depending on the update. Once complete, the watch will boot to the watch face. Make sure Bluetooth reconnects. If the update fails, try a simple restart of both devices, reconnect them, and attempt the update again. If problems continue, free storage on your iPhone, about 500 MB to 1 GB, and re-download. Contact support only after these steps, because most issues resolve with a restart and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.